From the rugged peaks of its northern realms to the sun-kissed shores of its southern coast, England unfurls a tapestry of diverse landscapes, each more captivating than the last. Our first destination takes us to the beating heart of England, the bustling metropolis of London. This city, with its rich tapestry of history and modern vibrancy, offers an unparalleled experience for every visitor. From its ancient roots to its contemporary pulse, London is a city that never ceases to amaze. As we journey through its streets, we will uncover the layers of history, culture, and innovation that make this city truly unique. Gaze upon the majestic Tower of London, a silent sentinel guarding centuries of stories. This iconic fortress, which has stood for nearly 1,000 years, has witnessed the rise and fall of kings and queens, the intrigue of political machinations, and the evolution of a nation. As you walk through its ancient halls, imagine the lives of those who once called this place home, from the royal prisoners to the dedicated guards. The Tower of London is not just a monument, it is a living testament to the resilience and grandeur of British history. Walk in the footsteps of royalty at Buckingham Palace and witness the iconic changing of the guard ceremony. This grand palace, the official residence of the British monarch, is a symbol of the enduring legacy of the British monarchy. The changing of the guard, with its precise choreography and regal splendor, is a tradition that has captivated visitors for generations. As you stand before the palace gates, you can almost feel the weight of history and the continuity of tradition that defines this remarkable institution. Explore the vibrant street art scene in Shoreditch and lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of Covent Garden. Shoreditch, with its eclectic mix of creativity and innovation, is a haven for artists and visionaries. The colorful murals and thought-provoking installations that adorn its streets are a testament to the dynamic spirit of this neighborhood. Meanwhile, Covent Garden, with its charming cobblestone streets and bustling markets, offers a delightful blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair. Whether you're seeking artistic inspiration or simply a place to wander and explore, these neighborhoods have something for everyone. Indulge in a spot of afternoon tea amidst the elegant surroundings of Fortnum and Mason. This quintessentially British tradition, with its delicate pastries, finger sandwiches, and perfectly brewed tea, is an experience to savor. Fortnum and Mason, with its opulent decor and impeccable service, provides the perfect setting for this timeless ritual. As you sip your tea and enjoy the refined ambience, you'll feel transported to a bygone era of elegance and sophistication. As the sun sets on this captivating city, appreciate the sheer magnitude of London's legacy. The skyline, with its blend of historic landmarks and modern skyscrapers, is a visual representation of the city's evolution, from the ancient spires of Westminster Abbey to the sleek lines of the Shard. London's architecture tells a story of innovation and tradition coexisting in harmony. As dusk falls and the city lights begin to twinkle, take a moment to reflect on the journey we've taken through this remarkable city. London, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is a place that leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. Leaving the urban bustle behind, we venture north to the serene beauty of the Lake District National Park. Towering mountains, their peaks often shrouded in mist, stand as silent guardians over the landscape. Embark on a scenic hike through the fells and let the breathtaking vistas unfold before you. Cruise across the tranquil waters of Lake Windermere, England's largest lake. The Lake District is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a myriad of activities for all. Remember the words of William Wordsworth, who found endless inspiration in these very hills and valleys. Our journey takes us next to a place shrouded in mystery, Stonehenge. Standing alone on Salisbury Plain, this enigmatic circle of towering stones has captivated imaginations for centuries. Who built Stonehenge, and for what purpose? These questions have puzzled archaeologists and historians for generations. Walk amongst these silent giants and let your imagination run wild as you ponder the secrets they hold. Stonehenge is a powerful reminder of the enduring allure of the unknown. We journey now to a city synonymous with academic excellence, Oxford. Home to the oldest university in the English-speaking world, Oxford is a city steeped in tradition. Step inside the hallowed halls of Oxford University's colleges, each a masterpiece of architecture. Marvel at the intricate details of the Bodleian Library, one of the oldest and most beautiful libraries in Europe. Take a punt along the picturesque River Cherwell, gliding beneath ancient bridges. As you leave Oxford, you'll carry with you a sense of awe at the sheer weight of history and knowledge. Our next destination takes us to a city as elegant as its name suggests, Bath. At the heart of Bath lies its namesake, the Roman Baths, a remarkably well-preserved complex of ancient baths and temples. Step back in time as you explore the steaming waters of the Great Bath. Stroll along the elegant curves of the Royal Crescent, a masterpiece of Georgian architecture. Visit the Jane Austen Centre, a museum dedicated to the life and works of the beloved author. As you wander through Bath's charming streets, you'll be captivated by its timeless beauty. We venture now to the southwestern tip of England, Cornwall. Hike along the southwest coast path, offering breathtaking views of hidden coves and sandy beaches. Explore the picturesque fishing villages of St. Ives and Mousehole. Discover the legend of King Arthur at Tintagel Castle, perched precariously on a windswept cliff top. Cornwall offers a truly unforgettable experience with its dramatic coastline and charming villages. Our journey takes us next to a city where history comes alive at every turn. York. Walk along the Shambles, one of Europe's best-preserved medieval streets. Marvel at the grandeur of York Minster, one of the largest and most magnificent cathedrals in Northern Europe. Step back in time at the Jorvik Viking Centre, an interactive museum that brings the Viking age to life. York is a city that will stay with you long after you've left, its stories etched in your memory. We escape the city now for the idyllic charm of the Cotswolds. Explore picturesque villages like Byberry and Bourton-on-the-Water. Visit Sudeley Castle, steeped in history and surrounded by award-winning gardens. Enjoy a traditional cream tea in a cozy Cotswold pub. For a truly immersive experience, spend the night in a charming Cotswold cottage. The Cotswolds offer a taste of the idyllic English countryside, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. Our journey takes us now to the vibrant seaside city of Brighton. Stroll along Brighton's iconic pier, a Victorian masterpiece. Explore the labyrinthine streets of the lanes, filled with independent shops and quirky boutiques. Visit the Royal Pavilion, a former royal residence with Indo-Saracenic architecture. Relax on Brighton's Pebble Beach and enjoy a traditional fish and chips. Brighton is a city that embraces individuality and celebrates diversity. Our final destination takes us to the heart of northern England, Manchester. Explore the city's industrial past at the Museum of Science and Industry. Discover Manchester's vibrant music scene at venues like the Manchester Arena. Wander through the Northern Quarter, known for its independent shops and street art. For a taste of Manchester's sporting heritage, catch a football match at Old Trafford. Manchester is a city that embraces its past while looking towards the future. As our journey through England draws to a close, we're left with a profound appreciation for the sheer diversity and beauty of this island nation.